Here's a recording to teach you how to use multiline text. The command is under the text command where the A is. Click on multiline text. And your cursor will show letters on there. Draw a rectangle from one side to another where you think your text is going to go by clicking on two corners, opposite corners. Before you start typing, there's some settings you need to change. Justification here in the middle. I would recommend using middle center for this task. It makes things easier for aligning our text into this triangle. You can control bold, italic, and so on, underline and whatnot. Your font styles can appear here. Where's it at? Font styles are here. There's lots of them. Your text height is this little section right here. When you start, the default is 0.20. There's no other settings. I typed this one earlier, 0.125, but it may still be too large. You have to highlight that text and type in a measurement like 0.10, for example, before you start typing in at the bottom of your screen right here. But notice how it might reset itself back. That happens sometimes. So if you're typing in something here, such as the past, and you want it to be smaller, you could highlight this, come up here, and type in the new height. Just be careful you don't accidentally delete your text like I did down here. Do you see how it changed the number 10? So that happens. You could undo that, of course. There's the height right there. Now it's set. Now I can type in the past. But if you delete your text by mistake, like a whole section of text, and you already don't want to lose your work, you can close the text editor and hit the undo button to bring it back. Okay? So let's go back into here. So there's my text. Let's make it bold and underlined. I hit enter. I don't want the next section to be bold and underlined, so I'll remove bold and underlined. Also don't want annotated. I should take that off. I turned that on by mistake earlier. Right here, so I turned that off. Anyway, so I'll type in my past. Oops, it's still underlined. Let's take that off. Don't worry about where the text is going at this point. Because you could adjust everything later. I'll stop there temporarily. This diamond right here, it lets you adjust the text. And if you want to make a type of triangular shape to your text, you just have to use spaces and enters to make that happen. Let me make the text larger to show you what I mean. I should move it into place first. You'll see a blue grip in the middle of your text that you can use to center your work, like this. And then double click and you can control your spacing between your words, like you see here. I lost a word. So you can start making it look like a triangle in shape. Alright, let's say you want the past to be over in this corner and rotated. You grab the grip, come up here to the button that says rotate and click rotate, and now you can rotate your text. Currently right here we have turned on our angles to 30, 60, 90. We did that the other day, so those are already set. So you will see these tracking lines at the different angles, and you know that this angle is parallel to the triangular lines already on the drawing, so now it's in the right angle, and then you can put it into place. Hit the escape key to clear your selection. Let's say there's something missing, you need to add text. You could double click on your text and it'll upright like this and add whatever's missing. And there it is. Alright, we'll talk about color and other things later. So add your past, present, and future like you see here.